Sunny on this side. Two trailer park girls going to run me outside. Run me outside.
So tell me how it's raining all the way over there, but over here it's all dry.
It's raining over there. You see that? Javier's walking over there too.
This kid is mad.
Yo, look, we dry.
Yo, look. It's pouring. It's not even like light rain.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Look, he got his windshield on. Yo, the wipers.
Some voodoo shit.
Yeah, I wonder where that rain like splits.
Yo, 2012 is real.
Shit.
Yeah, he's coming this way. Yeah, I'm starting this way. That's starting this way. Yo, it's going. Oh, is he going home this way? Now we'll go around it.
Yo, it's coming over here.
Crazy, man. That's crazy.
That's crazy, man.
Kobe. You better Kobe your way over here.
It's only raining in half the park.
You saw how it just stopped raining when I was over there?
Yeah.
It came out of nowhere?
World Star.
Well,
That's gonna lunch buddies. That's it. Look at that. Oh, it came here.
Alvin, save yourself. Come on, you motherfucker.
This is World Star Hip Hop. This is the kind of shit that goes on over here. We out.
Why you in the video like that? That's how